Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss the bitwise operations. Okay, how to do bitwise operations in Python. Okay, bitwise operations. Okay, so let me take two numbers, x equal to 10 and y equal to 4. Okay, the binary equivalent of x, it is 1010. Okay, 1010. The binary equivalent of 4, okay, it is 0100. Okay, so first we'll discuss bitwise AND. Bitwise AND operation. The corresponding symbol is this ampersand. Okay, what I will do, I will use this frequently. I'll copy this. We'll do AND operation now. Okay, 0 into 0, 0, 1 0. Okay, it is it is 0. Both ones only 1. Okay, so all are 0. So the result is 0. We'll verify this in Python console. Okay, x is 10, y is equal to 4. So x ampersand y. See, it gives 0. Okay, it gives 0. Bitwise AND operation. Okay, then the next one. Bitwise OR operation. Okay, for OR is pipe symbol. Okay, so let me use the binary equivalent of x and y. So let me do this bitwise OR operation. So 0 0, it's 0. Okay, if at least any one of the input is 1, I'll get 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, it is 1 1. Triple 1 0. Okay, so the output should be 14. Here it is 0. Okay, we'll verify this. X pipe symbol, y, it's 14. Okay, so if you see above enter key, this you can find this pipe symbol. Okay, then the next operator, bitwise XOR. Okay, bitwise XOR. So I'm going to use this hat symbol, hat, cap, okay, whatever you want, you just call this. So this will perform bitwise XOR. Okay, I'm just taking the same x and y. Okay, these are the binary equivalents of x and y. XOR operation we know, when both inputs are same, it is 0, otherwise it is 1. So 0 0, it is 0, 1 1 1. Okay, others are 0. Bitwise XOR. Okay, it should result in 14. We'll verify this. X cap y. Okay, we are getting 14. So next one, bitwise not. Okay, you can find a tilde symbol, tilde symbol. Okay, above that tab key you can find out this tilde symbol. Okay, suppose I want to perform not operation for x. Okay, so x is 14, sorry, x is 10, the corresponding binary equivalent 4 zeros 1 0 1 0. So complement of x not, that is we need to write zeros 1 1 to 0. Okay, so I'm just writing the result 1 0 1 0, all these values are 1. Okay, we'll check this, not x. Oh, surprisingly I'm just getting minus 11. Okay, minus 11. Is this result correct? Okay, we'll discuss this. If you see, usually in order to we won't store negative numbers. For that we will do 2's complement. Okay, so 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. Okay, let me write the result. I am getting, okay, minus 11. I'm just getting minus 11 for not x. I'm just getting minus 11. So let me find out 2's complement of this minus 11. Okay, so for 11, the binary equivalent 1 0 1 1. Okay, 11 it is 1 0 1 1. So 1's complement 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. With this I need to add 1. So 1 0 1 0 1 1. So this is the answer for, okay, this is the answer for minus 11. This is the answer for minus 11. If you compare these two bit sequence, they are one and the same. 4 ones, then 0 1 0 1. This is the reason we are getting minus 11 as the answer for not operation. Okay, then the next one, left shift, bitwise left shift and right shift. Okay, bitwise left shift and right shift. First we will discuss bitwise right shift. Bitwise right shift. Okay, the corresponding operator is greater than. Okay, suppose I want to perform x value is 10, the corresponding binary equivalent is 4 zeros followed by 1 0 1 0. Okay, I'm going to do this bitwise right shift by 2. Okay, bitwise right shift by 2. Always you remember that this right shift will make, okay, you will lose bits. Okay, this will lose bits. So what I'm doing, I'm just writing this, I'm just right shifting this by 2. Okay, this 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, this last 1 0 will go. This is not circular shift. If it is circular shift, this 1 0 will come here. This is not circular shift. This 1 0 will go. Okay, this is nothing. So I'm just putting 0. So this 4 zeros 0 0 1 0 is nothing but 2. Okay, it is nothing but 2. Let me verify this in using Python. So x is 10, x greater than 2. Okay, I'm just getting 2. Okay, it's the correct answer. Next one, I'm going to do bitwise left shift. Okay, this is exactly opposite to the bitwise right shift. In left shift, I'm just losing the bits, whereas right shift, I'm just gaining the bits. Okay. Bitwise left shift. The corresponding operator less than. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the same x is 1 0. The corresponding binary equivalent 0 0 0, 4 zeros, 1 0 1 0. So I'm just left shifting x by 2. Sorry. Okay. So what happens? This 2 zeros will go. This 2 0 will come here. This 1 0 will come here. This 1 0 will come here. These two empty places, I'm just adding zeros. Okay. So if you see the corresponding decimal equivalent, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Others are 0. So 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 3, okay, which is 32 plus 8, 40. We need to get 40 as the answer. We will verify this. X less than 2. Yeah, we are getting 40. Okay. So these are the bitwise operators used in Python. Okay. We'll discuss other type of operators in the coming videos. I'll stop here. Thank you.